Restore your confidence with Australian Hair and Scalp Clinics. Through Herbal Follicular Activation, or HFA, we provide a safe, natural and non-invasive solution for pattern hair loss and patchy hair loss. Did you know our monthly in-clinic treatments can be used to strengthen the effect of your current home use program? Why not boost your current in-clinic treatment with our home use products? Our experienced staff can help you find the right treatment combination to improve your results. Like to see what our clients have to say?
Came here and was assessed as being suitable for some treatment, which I've had on a monthly basis over the last 12 months, and it's made a significant improvement in my hair condition.
A lot of hair loss just around the front area. Since commencing the treatment, all that has gone now, and I'm really, really happy with the end result.
I joined the program again in 2011, and I've been doing it for the last 3 years, and as you can see, there's been some good results.
I definitely, after 2 months, have seen a big change of my hair growth.
3 to 4 months, I've gained about 80 to 90% of my hair back. And I recommend anybody who is suffering from alopecia to come down to the Australian Hair Clinic to have a trial.
With our newly relocated clinic at Murrumbeena and our new location at St Kilda Road, Melbourne, there's never been a better time to visit Australian Hair and Scalp Clinics.